E-business refers to the use of digital technologies and the internet to conduct business processes, including buying and selling products, managing supply chains, handling customer service, and performing internal operations. It goes beyond just e-commerce by encompassing all aspects of running a business online. Sustainability in the context of e-business involves integrating environmental, social, and economic considerations into digital business practices. This includes reducing carbon footprints through virtual operations using sustainable packaging for online deliveries, promoting ethical sources, and utilizing energy efficient data centers.
Environmental sustainability in e-business. E-business plays a significant role in promoting environmental sustainability by helping reduce resource consumption, waste, and carbon emissions through the use of digital technologies. One of the main environmental benefits of e-business is the reduction in paper usage. Traditional business transactions that once required printed invoices, contracts, and receipts are now done electronically. For example, companies like Adobe or DocuSign provide digital document services that eliminate the need for physical paperwork, saving millions of sheets of paper and reducing deforestation. Another major impact is in energy efficiency and smart logistics. Online retailers such as Amazon and Alibaba have invested in energy efficient data centers and electric delivery vehicles to lower their carbon footprint. Amazon, for instance, has committed to powering its operations with 100% renewable energy by 2025, while Alibaba launched a green logistics initiative to reduce packaging waste and improve fuel efficiency in deliveries. E-business also minimizes environmental impact by enabling virtual workspaces and remote services, which significantly reduce the need for daily commuting and office energy use. Companies like Google and Microsoft have adopted cloud based operations that support remote work, leading to lower emissions and less reliance on physical office infrastructure. Lastly, e-business encourages sustainable consumer behavior by providing access to eco-friendly products and transparent information about supply chains. For instance, Patagonia uses its online platform to promote sustainable clothing and educate customers about environmental responsibility.
Amazon, promoting accessibility and inclusion. Amazon's accessibility features make online shopping easier for people with disabilities. Tools like screen readers, voice shopping through Alexa, and closed captioning help users who are visually or physically impaired. This shows that e-business can include everyone regardless of their physical activities. Etsy gives small artisans, especially women and home-based sellers, a chance to reach global customers. It connects local craftspeople from developing countries to international buyers, helping preserve traditional skills and cultural heritage. Sellers can earn income from home, improving economic independence. Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace allows people to buy and sell locally, building trust and connection in communities. It encourages reusing and recycling by promoting second-hand sales, which reduces waste and new production. Small businesses can use groups to advertise products and gain local support.
Everyone, today I want to talk about what economic means and how it affects businesses and industries. Economics is all about money, how people and companies buy, sell, and make things. It's about how the economy works. Many things in the economy change how businesses do, like prices, jobs, and interest rates. Let's look at some easy example. First, the car business. When people have money and feel good, they buy more cars. Companies like Toyota and Ford sell more cars when the economy is good, but it loans cost more. Fewer people buy cars also when gas prices go up. More people want electric cars like Tesla makes. The second one is stores like Walmart and Amazon. People shop more when they have jobs and money, but if many lose jobs or prices go up, people spend less, so stores sell less. Now, the technology business when the economy is slow. Companies buy fewer computers and software. This hurts companies like Microsoft and Apple. Also, if parts come late from other countries, new products gets delayed. The oil business is affected too. When the economy is strong, people use more oils. Companies like ExxonMobil make more money, but if there is trouble or the economy is low, oil prices go up or down a lot. Buying and selling homes when loan costs less. More people buy houses if loan costs more. The economy is bad. Fewer people buy homes. And many money, jobs, prices, and rules affects all businesses. Company that understand this do better.
Environmental challenges. Running an e-business requires a lot of electricity for computers, data centers, and delivery systems, which increases the harm for the environment. The regular use of packing materials, such as boxes and plastics, increases waste, while online shopping and continuous shipping increase traffic and pollution. All of these processes cause stress on the environment and natural resources. Social challenges. Many people find that e-business make their lives easier. Yet not everyone has equal access to technology and the internet. Warehouse and delivery workers are commonly faced with difficult working conditions, long hours, and low salary. But since online buying is so convenient, consumers may purchase more than they actually need and increasing waste. Economic and governance challenges. Many internet businesses prioritize rapid growth and profit over considering their long-term effects on the environment and society. Governments find it difficult to monitor or maintain rules related to fair employment, fair purchasing, and environmental protection because e-business works worldwide. Because of this, it is challenging to make sure that their business practices are actually responsible. Strategic challenges for sustainable e-business. For them to become environmentally friendly, e-businesses have to figure out how to ship products with less pollution, use energy that is more environmentally conscious and efficient, and reduce production and packaging waste. They must also ask customers to shop responsibly, support recycling, and promote environmentally friendly products while maintaining reliable and fast service.
Opportunities related to e-business and sustainability. Number 1, environmental. Green logistics and route optimization. Using AI and IoT for efficient delivery routes, consolidating shipments, and transitioning to electrical vehicles. Challenge. Traditional logistics and delivery operations face significant environmental challenges, primarily from carbon emission generated by fossil fuel-powered vehicles and inefficient routing. The demand for fast delivery often leads to partially loaded vehicles and congested routes, further increasing fuel consumption and air pollution. Solution: e-business use AI and IoT to calculate the shortest, most efficient delivery routes, enabling shipment consolidation and minimizing mileage. Switching to electrical vehicles eliminates tailpipe emissions. This directly cuts fuel consumption, reduces air pollution, and lowers overall operational costs. Number 2, social, ethical sourcing and transparency. E-platforms allow for easier tracking and communication of supply chain ethics. Businesses can provide customers with detailed product information on origin, manufacturing processes, and labor standards, building trust. Challenge. One of the major social challenges in global supply chains is the lack of transparency regarding ethical practices, worker conditions, and environmental impact. Consumers are increasingly concerned about issues like child labor, unfair wages, unsafe working environments, and environmentally damaging production methods by often lack reliable information to make informed purchasing decisions. Solution. E-platforms provide digital transparency. Using tools like blockchain or detailed tracking to show consumers a product's full journey, from raw material origin to factory labor standards. This level of honesty builds brand trust, empowers consumers to make ethical choices, and pressures suppliers to maintain high social responsibility standards. Number 3. Economic, operational efficiency, and cost reduction. Digitalization, AI, and IoT streamline inventory management, logistics, and internal operations, leading to reduced waste. Challenge. Traditional inventory management and internal operations often suffer from inefficiencies, leading to waste, high energy consumption, and elevated operational costs. Manual processes are prone to errors, slow, and require significant labor, contributing to higher expenses and a larger environmental footprint. Example would be wasted energy in poorly managed warehouses, discarded obsolete inventory. Solution. Digitalization, AI, and IoT automate and streamline core businesses processes. AI predicts demand to prevent overstocking and waste, while IoT sensors and automated vehicles optimize logistics and warehouse energy use. This results in significant cost savings, minimized waste, and a more resource efficient economic model.